Absolutely. Well, Alan Buanne is many things, and my DNA brought me to shoes. My great-grandfather, grandfather, dad were all in the footwear industry as designers, shoe manufacturers, and also shoe retailers. So I think instinctively there was something in me that naturally gravitated towards shoe design. My passion in the beginning was actually to be a shoemaker. I was so fascinated by shoe lasts and the process of handcrafting a shoe. I always liked to build things with my hands. So I did some training in Australia, which is my birth country, and then I moved to Italy. So I studied in Florence at Polimoda, a fashion school that's owned by Ferragamo. And whilst I was having this incredible scholastic formal training in all things related to design and creativity by truly incredible teachers that have stayed with me my whole life and helped shape my career, I also had the unique experience of working with a master shoe artisan, making men's made-to-measure shoes. So I got to live out my dream. Well, then I guess upon graduating from school, I started my professional career by moving to London, and I got to work with some iconic British brands that allowed me the opportunity to see so many different runways because of the collaborations as a shoe brand with other fashion brands. I got to really see a lot, and we also got to address many famous celebrities and personalities. And then eventually my career evolved, and I moved into consulting, where I had the pleasure of working with many more important and respected and relevant fashion brands, until eventually I co-founded a women's footwear brand of my own, which went on to do many incredible successful things, which I'm very proud of. And following that, I also had an amazing journey working with top-tier luxury brands in Milan, until eventually I joined as creative director at VIVAIA.